It's up to y'all. I mean, Kobe Bryant. Yeah, we live over here. Mamba. Ow. We miss you, bro. Yeah, he's over here. We over here. Mamba. He crashed right over on this mountaintop.
Oh my god! We fucking made it, y'all. Hold up.
Yeah, this is where Kobe Bryant. His spirit's still here. I can feel it.
Yo. So I done found a trail to crash. And guess what we about to do?
I found it.
Take the trail to Kobe Bryant's crash.
We out here.
For real.
Rest in peace, Mamba.
Trying to got them clothes off a legend's fucking shit. What's wrong
That goes off his memorial to where his shit is over here.
Trying to close off a legend's shit. What the fuck is wrong with y'all? It's like closing off Elvis's gravesite.
There's them houses you was talking about up top. I see them.
Right there, right?
Enjoy y'all's day. I'm gonna pay my respects to Mamba. Deuces.